At Fluor Engineering, our advanced engineering team specialises in the development of complex mechanical systems within extreme space limitations. Here we see a case study on the internal mechanism for a mechanically operated firearm. Our agile design philosophy allowed our engineers the freedom to strip back the design requirements to basic principles and rapidly iterate through concepts to simplify and optimize the design. To aid in this design iteration process, the application of our additive manufacturing capability allowed our engineers to test concepts and analyze issues that are hard to visualize through three-dimensional CAD, such as material stiffness and friction. The additive manufacturing and prototyping capability at Fluor Engineering gives us the ability to visualize problems from a different perspective, whether that be to analyze the assembly sequence of a project or to gain greater insight into volume constraints within tight spaces. Through the use of connected three-dimensional modeling and 3D printing software, we can dynamically optimize models for additive manufacturing processes to save time and money whilst having the engineering expertise to produce high-quality engineering analogues for communication, display, and analysis purposes. Furthermore, the creation of physical models improves communication of technical features to clients and gives greater opportunity to address potential manufacturing issues, giving clients a greater level of security throughout a project.